Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Nasim from nasimrezer.com, and in this video I am going to show you how you can configure your ManyChat bot account. If you are new to this channel, then you can subscribe because it will help me to continue working on this channel. And for your help, I will put all the useful link on this video description. You just check this video description and you will get it. Let's back to this topic. ManyChat is a chatbot platform that allows businesses to automate conversion with customer on Facebook Messenger, Instagram, WhatsApp, Messages, Telegram, and so on. It is primarily used for marketing, customer support, and sales automation. People love to use ManyChat because of its drag and drop builder, automation, integration, broadcasting, AI personalization message. ManyChat is a popular among e-commerce, digital marketer and agencies to increase conversion and provide better customer support. If you want to make your ManyChat account, then just go to Google and search ManyChat. Then you will find their official website. And when you open their website, you will see a dashboard like this. Here you can see the Get Started button. When you click that, then you will see how you can create an account on ManyChat. Here is the 5 option, and if you already have account, then you can sign in. For example, this is the email sign in with Google. Let's try it and see what happened. So it's just opening, and let's confirm you are a human and select hat. I'm selecting all the hat from here and then confirm. After that, it say an error. ManyChat account it's not available with this sign in option. So that's why we need to get started and we need to make account with these 5 different platform. For example, if you want to WhatsApp, then you have to click on WhatsApp. And if you want to make your account through Facebook, then you have to click on Facebook like this. If you want to use Instagram, then you can use Instagram. For my case, I am try to use WhatsApp, and here you can see WhatsApp is the parent product for Facebook. So that's why it say open your account on Facebook. And then we have to confirm our email address. So if I select Gmail, then I will get a email come from ManyChat. Just input the verification code. When you have done, you will see this window. Just type of your purpose. I am a freelancer and solo purpose, that's why I am selecting this one. And here you can see it say connect your WhatsApp account. Okay, so if your WhatsApp account not connected with Facebook Business Manager, you have to create that. For example, if I click on there, it's showing me a new pop-up and it say just make account on there as a business. Okay, so if your account already connected with Facebook Meta and your WhatsApp is already added, then you will not see this window. Okay, so which is pretty simple. Let's back and continue with this. After processing all the steps, you will make your account on MetaSuite and you can continue with your account. You can see I am quickly input a business name and email address and rest of the field. Okay, you just need to continue with that. For my recommend to you, you can complete your business suite before adding the ManyChat. Okay, so let's get back and see the close view of this ManyChat dashboard. Here you can see I am on the ManyChat dashboard. Don't worry if you didn't integrate your account fast. Here is a option you will see the integrate. Okay, so this is my profile and all the thing you can see. So if you click on this button, it will hide or show, and when you click the live chat, you will see all the channel you can connect. Here you can see the 5 different method or channel you can integrate with. So if you click on Facebook page, you will see how many page you already have with your Meta account. Okay, and if you click on the home, you will see this dashboard, and you can see all the menu here, and this channel you will see on the settings section. Okay, here you can see API apps, and my favorite is template. So if you are complete new and you don't know how to configure the email template, here is the option you can use a template for your first message chatbot. Okay, for example, I am going to use it for e-commerce, physical product, and Shopify. And then if I continue with auto replay or generate lead, you can see the little pop-up, and here you can see the preview of this template. Okay, so just someone click and these tools will automatically replay of your client message instantly. So that's why I always do prefer it if you are new. Okay, and beside that, all the settings are very user friendly, and I believe if you are complete new, you can easily connect your Facebook, you can easily connect your other sales channel with this ManyChat account. Okay, so it's super simple, just you need to make account on there and you need to browse for few time, and you will see understand everything. It's super simple. Okay, don't need to worry about that. This is a trial account, you already know because I have made this in front of you, and here is a lot of awesome feature if you will get to the pro version. And for your help, I will give a link of this ManyChat account on this video description. You can check this out, and you will, if you see, here is a very little plan, then you can use only 15 bucks per month and you will get the pro version, and you can explore the awesome feature that will have. And keep in mind that that will be my affiliate link, and if you use my link, you will not get any extra charge for that, and that will be supportive for my channel. Okay, so that's it guys. That's all for now. If you found this video was helpful, then hit the thumbs up. And if you want to see more video from me, then consider subscribing to this channel because it will help me to continue working on this channel. My name is Nasim, and I will see you on the next one. And please don't forget to check this video description. Have a great day.